guys, I'm Chantel from Wild Berries Quilting, and I've got an unboxing for you today. This is the Precuts quilt box, and it's the classic. And I've already cut it open so that it'd be easier to get into. I love these. They had one of my favorite designers this month, which was Tulip Pink. Yay! So, got the little information thing about it, but I don't want to look ahead. Okay, first, I've got a seam ripper. Yay! Can always use more seam rippers. This is Clover. And actually, my seam ripper seemed like it was getting just a little bit dull, so this is coming at a good time. The next notion that they included is, this is one of those bracelets that's magnetic to hold things. Oh, I guess it slides along there. I didn't know that. Okay. And, yep. This brings back memories of childhood. And there we go. Nice shiny metal magnet slap bracelet. Oof. Guess it's not that painful to hit with. I thought it might be with the big metal piece there. Alright. Don't know how I feel about that one, but ooh. I like this pattern. This is this month's pattern. Very pretty. She's named it Safari Lights. Cute. And actually, I should probably hold this up for you guys to see. The little slap bracelet. And it is my favorite color. And the seam ripper. There we go. Okay, next, got some very pretty Metler, right? Metler thread. It's very pretty, kind of a, it is, I don't know what color purple you would call that. I wanted to say plum, but plum is definitely more red than this is. It's very pretty though. Matches the bag, actually. A little bit darker. Now, the good part, the fabric. It's all good, but the fabric's the fun part. Alright. I'm so excited because I have been wanting to see this line in person, and I haven't gotten into it yet, so this is my first time seeing it in person, since none of my local quilt shops carry Tulip Pink for some really strange reason. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, so first we have these purple giraffes. They're so fun. And they've got like oranges or sunsets behind them. I'm not sure. No salvage on that one to tell you what the name of the print is, but very pretty. Oh, these lions are just beautiful. They are stunning. Wow. Very. Hey, I'm back. I had to change my battery. It died. So, I'm not sure if you got to see this one, but I'm going to hold it back up for you just in case. It's these very pretty lions. And the name of the line is Everglow, I believe? Yes, Everglow. And the name of this particular print is Good Hair Day. Just in case, you know, you're looking at this and wondering how to find it, but you probably already know since it's Tulip Pink. So, another lion. You know, I'm really not sure which colorway I like better of this. I think I think I'm leaning towards that peachy one, that first lion. That it's very pretty. And again, this is on the salvage, the side that does not have salvage, so I can't tell you what the particular colorway of that is. Although I guess I couldn't tell you on the other one either. It just says good hair day. Good hair day. Ooh, this is the one that I was most excited about. It's such a silly one to be excited about, right? Hippos. They're pink hippos and they are so cute. Look at them with the little birds and the fish. Oh my gosh. I love it. Oh, look at this bird right here. He is just too cute. I definitely need more of this fabric in particular. It is so pretty. All right. Oh, and there's butterflies on the hippos too. I was, looking at pictures online of this fabric line. I was also very excited about the blue hippos, and I wasn't sure which one. Okay, I'll be honest. Pink. I was sure. I knew I wanted the pink one, but I was thinking I probably want this one too. And I don't think my mind has changed at all. I really think I want this one too. I need to have some yardage of these. Wouldn't that be the cutest little summer dress for a little girl? I quilt, but I also sew clothing, and my mind is always thinking, is this going to be used for a quilt, or is this going to be used for clothing? Obviously with these sizes of cuts, this is clothing. Or, I'm sorry, this is quilting. Oh, and I should mention, these are all fat quarters. So, they've all been fat quarters. Got another giraffe. I think I actually like the other colorway of the giraffes better. But these are very pretty too. Love to have the variants. All right. Oh, there's two more. The elephants. I wonder why these were folded separately. Oh, you know what? They're bigger cuts. These ones are half yards. Oh, they're so pretty. They have, it's like a kind of sky blue. Maybe just a hint of, I want to say a hint of purple in there, but it's not quite. It's more like a sky blue. And then you've got these beautiful flower designs over the top of the elephants, like they're painted elephants. It's very pretty. There's a half yard of that one. Let's see how much there is of this. Oh, I love this. This is so pretty. Here, turn it this way so you can see this elephant here. Oh. Hopefully you can see that clearly. And you've got these big like iris type flowers here. Now this is also a half yard. And this particular one is called All Ears. And let's see if they give me a name on that other giraffes. Nope, it was cut off. The hippos are also cut off. But I want to say that the hippo one, since I've looked at it before, I think I remember the name was like These Hippos Don't Lie, or My Hippos Don't Lie, or something along those lines. So in case you're looking for the name, that's a good start. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? Make sure I didn't miss anything. Yeah, 6 fat quarters and 2 half yards. So you're looking at 2.5 yards of fabric there, and I've got the pattern. Hopefully you can see that. Called Safari Lights. Looks like it's all fussy cut around the animals to really showcase them, which is nice. And you've got the thread. And you've got your little slap bracelet, flashback to the 90s, 80s. I don't know when these became popular, but I know as a kid of the 90s, we had the slap bracelets. And the seat ripper. Oh, and you can't forget the mesh bag. So, you know, I've got all these project bags from this particular subscription, and I am working through the projects. Yes, I actually am sewing them, but I kind of sometimes I switch it up and I'll use fabric from one with a different pattern, or I'll take other fabric that I have in my stash and use it with one of their patterns, or, you know, whatever. I like to switch it up. So let's check the pamphlet and make sure that we got everything that we're supposed to. So got the lights, the Safari Lights pattern, and that has an MSRP of $12. The slap bracelet is $14.99, and the thread is $4.50, and the project mesh bag is $4. It says it just says 8-piece bundle of Everglow collection by Tulip Pink. It doesn't say how big any of the cuts are supposed to be, which I kind of wish they would have included that, just so that I would know. Yeah, they're all supposed to be, I'm supposed to have 6 of them as fat quarters and 2 as half yards, but you know, maybe they forgot, maybe they got busy. But 8-piece bundle of Everglow collection. Man, that would be a fantastic deal if it was 8 yards. And it has that listed as $45 for that. And then the seam ripper is $4.75. And the total value of the box, and she includes the shipping and handling, is $95.89. And this box is $59.99 per month. I like it. I'm happy. I got to see each of the fabrics. Like, I think there's more in this collection besides just these, but this is a good start. So, what do you think? Do you like Tulip Pink? Do you like this box? Can't wait until next month. Can't wait until the next box. All right, thanks for joining me today, and if you like to watch unboxings and you want to come back next time, I'd love to have you here. Please like and subscribe. Thanks. Bye.